Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. Today is a very cool and special video, and I haven't done this in a long time. I was able to obtain a sticker from another woodworker, and I wanted to share that with you in this video, so stick around. Now this YouTube channel that I have a new sticker for is one that I've just started watching a lot. Really like his video editing style, the type of projects he does, and quite honestly his sense of humor is great. It's perfect. The channel is Fisher's Shop. His name is Drew Fisher. He's a really good woodworker. He's got a really nice shop. I've watched one of his videos on a shop tour, and it's really nice how he's got it laid out. He's got a really good set of projects, a lot of good set of jigs that he's created. Really enjoyable to watch. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to go and check out his channel. Please subscribe to his channel, leave a comment on his videos to tell him Being a Craftsman sent you. But we're going to go ahead and add his sticker to the sticker board. So Drew, your sticker is on my sticker board, and I hope that you gain some more subscribers because of this video. And guys, like I said, go subscribe to him if you haven't already. Subscribe to me, and if you have a workshop that you would like to do a sticker swap with me, you can once again go to my website, send me an email, and we will exchange addresses to send it to each other. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.